Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
It's Armani
and Sarah.
And today, guys, we have the watermelon challenge.
So we have our rubber bands over here. We have our watermelon, and then we have our protective goggles because I do not want to get anything flung in my eyes. But yeah, obviously we're in a different environment. We're outside. It is a little bit warm, but for this challenge we had to be outside. Did not want to be inside and ruin the furniture and everything like that. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do for you guys today. So let me put my goggles on.
Better put the first one on.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Okay, so before we get into this, I've been really scared to do this, so.
No, you ain't no psycho. You're not like the others, no. No changing behaviors. Not sure how to act around you. So colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me.
I'm scared.
I ain't gonna explode on the first one.
I know, but this is kind of hard. Oh. Okay. It's kind of hard. But okay. There you guys go.
This one.
We'll see how many it takes. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You don't understand.
I'm struggling. You know what I'm talking. Oh! Guys. Boom!
Stop! I'm getting mad, guys.
Now you mad at me?
I'm mad.
You over here. Okay. Push it up the
Good
table.
question. What? Stop!
Look at it.
What? Looks fine.
Okay.
They show it, you'll get a crack on the outside or something, like else it's splitting.
Well, look, you can see how puffy it is. Ooh.
What?
I felt it. Almost there, guys. I feel it.
So funny. Yeah, how do you like
You
that?
can't get me.
Stop! Oh, good! What the hell?
What? What I do?
You're pointing,
What I
you're
do?
pointing it at me.
I did.
Stupid rubber band.
Why you say seriously, sir?
It's about to go down.
We need to show them Oh my gosh, guys, look at the watermelon and stuff. This is one. Okay, that's one half of the watermelon. The other half flew all the way over here. The other half to there. I'm like shaking because I'm scared. Look at the mess on the table. Get it. Oh, I'm like sweating so bad. Look at the rubber band ball. We're not expecting that. Me and Armani were just like, oh, okay, it's not gonna pop. It's not gonna whatever explode. Oh my god. I know, but I need to.
I have a delayed reaction, guys, because I was too busy worried.
Oh my gosh, I gotta clean this up. Oh my gosh. Alright guys. So that was our watermelon challenge. Scared the heck out of me.
We got caught off guard, but it took a minute to put all the rubber bands on there. It's pretty fine.
It was hard and it was hot out here and I was starting to sweat and
She was getting annoyed. And then she goes, ah! It's been real. Watermelon challenge.
Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
If you're new,
And
thank you so much for watching.
yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. See you in the next one.
Real. Deuces.